Want to know how to find and get the best affordable roof repair installation in one day? And without dealing with shady roof repair companies? This is a challenge because some roofing companies use pushy methods and sales tactics that can leave you, the homeowner, with a poor quality and expensive roof repair bill. Here are 5 questions that you should ask to help you identify a reputable roof repair company. 1. What types of roofing do you install? 2. Do you offer financing? 3. Do you work with homeowners insurance to file claims? 4. Do you have a current license to do this work in my area? 5. Can you give me 2 or 3 references to check? Now that you understand some of the top questions you should ask your West Orange roof repair contractor, there's no reason to keep struggling with that leaking roof and dripping water inside your home. Ready to get help with a reputable West Orange roof repair contractor? Visit us online and follow the link below.